Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this effortless clean girl smoky lash line brown wing liner halo look using the e.l.f. I Love You Latte bite-size eyeshadow palette. These palettes are amazing, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So on a Morphe M433, a blending brush that looks like this, it's got a flat side, I'm gonna take that cool tone transition shade, tap off my excess. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in my crease area. The shade is very pigmented. To blend it out, very easy, super pigmented. At first I thought it was going to be patchy, but it ended up blending out very nice. And it's just all over the crease. It's a very low effort, minimal makeup look. And I'm being sure to blend out the edges, blending up into my brow bone, blending down to the lid. No harsh edges, and that blended out insanely easy. Like, these Tarte bite-sized eyeshadow palettes are no joke. No joke. This is a Morphe M514, just like a smaller blending brush. Take the warm tone transition shade, tapping off the excess, and I'm going to apply that in my inner corner. I'm just going to create a small halo. And these shadows are so similar. I don't know why e.l.f. put like two transition shades that are very similar, like one's slightly cooler than the other, one's slightly warmer, but I feel like they could have put a totally different neutral shade in there. But I'm gonna make it work, and they actually look really nice together. So then I'm just going to take my finger and go in with that cream shade, and I'm just going to pack it on in the center. It's very, very vibrant. Look at that. Dragging it up just a little into the crease, but just creating a very soft halo. And then go with my blending brush and just blending those shades together. And with a brush like this is an Ardel A18. It's like an eyeliner brush. I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade in the palette. Tapping off the excess. And I'm just gonna start to line the outer part here. And then you just like turn the brush sideways and just blend it. Like a smoked lash line. also a very pigmented, easy to blend dark shade. It might take a few applications of like applying, turning your brush sideways and blending out, but get it to the level of smokiness that you want. I'm going to take a brown liquid liner by Colourpop. This is in the shade Grande. It's a little felt tip brown eyeliner. Just going to add a little wing. I'm going to go back in with that dark eyeshadow. And just smoke out a little more. The blending brush M433 and the Cool Tone transition shade. Go back in with that brush and the dark eyeshadow. I'm just gonna bring a little bit of smokiness to the outer lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with some brown eyeliner. This is Sketch by Dose of Colors. I know they don't make this anymore, but this is the only brown eyeliner I have. It's my bottom waterline. A small highlighting brush and highlight my inner corner. This is Essence Be My Highlight. This highlighter is amazing. It's gonna highlight my inner corner. I am going to apply some mascara. I'm gonna apply some Ardel Demi Wispies. And that completes this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.